Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. And we have with us again today our two student interns.
Hi, I'm Carlina.
Hi, I'm Sonia.
And what are we making today?
We are making magic breathing wands.
Oh,
Here's mine.
yep.
So before we begin, we're going to start with one of our breathing techniques. And today, since we're doing magic breathing wands, we're going to do a magic wand breath. So we're going to pretend we're holding our magic wand and we're going to breathe in and wave our wand and breathe out. And pretend we're doing magic. So we'll do that 2 times and you can wave your wand however you want. Okay, so we're ready. Get our wands ready and breathe in and breathe out. And again, breathe in and breathe out. And that's good practice for when we have to blow through our wands.
Yes. Thanks, Peggy.
You're welcome.
So what supplies do we need today?
Today we're going to need a paper towel roll, tape, scissors, ribbon, and markers.
Great.
So what's the first step?
So you're going to take your paper towel roll or your toilet paper roll, and you're going to cut off about 1 inch off one of the sides. So like right about here.
Okay, I did mine already.
Same.
Yeah.
Great. And remember, if you need some help with scissors, always ask a caregiver or parent or adult friend. All right, what's the second step?
So the second step is you're going to take some ribbon and you're going to tape it on that 1-inch piece that you cut out. So I have a couple of different colors. I have purple, yellow, and pink.
Okay.
And what you're going to do is I take a piece of tape and I stick my ribbon on it.
Oh,
And then I am going to take that little piece we cut off and I'm going to tape it to the inside.
oh, that's a great way to do it.
Yeah.
Makes
So
it much-
I'm going to add a couple more.
All right, so here's mine. I'm going to do 4 pieces.
I like the colors that you used.
Thank you.
I have 2 on, but I'm going to put more.
Okay.
And then after we've put some ribbon on, you are going to tape it to the top of your wand. So what I did is I took some tape and I put it on the circular part and then I tape it to the side
Oh,
like this. And I'm going to do that on either side.
okay.
And it kind of depends on your roll, but you can kind of like tape in different areas to make sure that it stays on there. I think I'm gonna add some more ribbon on, so I'll tape mine down after I finish putting all my ribbon on.
Okay. And I'm going to put a little bit, I put a little bit on the inside too.
That's a smart idea too.
Right. So I'm going to wait on taping mine on top because I decided I'm going to decorate my wand part. I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil. So I want to do that before I tape on the top.
Great. And so then everyone can just decorate it however you want. For my first one, I just wrapped some pieces of paper around the bright pieces of paper and use some markers to fill it in. You can really do anything.
Right. And I use those do-a-dot markers or bingo markers sometimes for the one I made and just did all different color dots around it.
It's pretty.
For mine, I just used some markers and I drew some stripes, and then I decorated mine with random animal stickers and some colorful gems. So I think that's what I'm gonna do again.
Great. And Carlina, what did you do?
I did a couple like heart stickers, some tissue paper, some other like stickers, and then I did like a wrapper from my toilet paper that comes in like pretty wrapping.
That's so pretty.
Yeah, so you can really do just about anything.
Yes. For this one, I'm gonna wrap mine in white paper to be a little brighter for my decorations. And then also for this one, I pre-cut just some circles out of paper, and I'm gonna put them all over this as decorations.
Oh, I like that idea.
Thank you.
Cool.
And then you can
Right
open
now,
it.
what I'm doing is I'm just doing some squiggly lines. I did purple and now I'm doing upright pink.
Nice. Carlina, what are you doing?
I'm taking some more of that colorful toilet paper wrapping and wrapping it around.
Oh, nice.
I also have like just a little bit of lace that I'm gonna put around it.
Oh, great idea.
Here's mine with the foil.
Oh, that looks good with the foil, Peggy.
Cool.
I know, and you can even like use marker on top of the foil too.
Yes. Here's mine so far.
Oh, that's so
Nice.
cute.
Thank you.
Yeah, I like that.
Thanks. And then whatever decorations you want to go up here, can go up there, which I think I'm just gonna use marker for. While we're working on these, I'm gonna tell you a little joke.
Okay.
And because March has just started, decided to tell a joke about the months, because I haven't done that yet, I don't think. So anyway, what is the shortest month?
Oh, that's easy, gal.
What?
February.
No, it's May. M-A-Y.
Oh,
Oh,
That's a good one. I like that.
yeah, I like that one.
Thank you.
You
can
pulled
tell it.
us.
You can tell it to your friends and family.
I definitely will be.
Good. So we can all be working on these for a while. But let's just see where everyone's at so far.
Yeah, I got mine ribbon part on and the
That looks
foil.
good.
And I'm gonna try coloring on it too.
Great. And I started to decorate the top of mine.
Oh, I like that. I've been adding stickers onto mine as well as some marker, and I'm gonna put gems on the top part.
Beautiful.
Nice.
Make it very fancy.
Nice. And how about you, Carlina?
I just finished coloring the top of mine, and I'm just gonna finish doing some stuff like around the tube.
Nice. Well,
Mhm.
I can't wait to see how they come out later. And
Mhm.
thanks everyone for participating. So it's fun.
Should we try to blow through our wands and see?
Yes,
Yeah.
let's try it. Yep,
Oh, this one worked better than my first one.
got it. Thank you. And if you'd like to see more of our craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting. Bye.
Bye.